Hello everyone, my name is Andrew. Click here and select Credential. Search for Google Drive. We need 3 parameters. Click on URL. This is Google Cloud Project. Enter Drive. And select Google Drive API. I already have it connected. And you need to click the button. Then click Credentials. Then you need OAuth ID. Select Web Application. And name. And paste the URL you got from n8n here. Click Create. Copy the data one by one. Client ID. In Client ID. And Client Secret. In Client Secret. Now click Sign in with Google. Select your account. Advanced and go to Site. Click Continue. That's it. Connection successful. Let's check it out in practice. Select Trigger manually. Find Search in Google Drive. Show Random Query. That's all. Thank you.